Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I will show you how I cut my own hair. I'll show you a secret. It's been like 7 years I did this. Like every year I cut my hair 3 times. I've been to the hair salon only one time. That was a few years ago. Then after that, since then, I cut my hair. All you have to do is grab your sorry. Grab your comb, a pair of scissors, and your hairband. Okay, let's get started. You do like this. Gather all your hair into the front of your head. Comb it. Hey David, you okay?
Yeah.
This is my son David right here. He's playing with his duckies in the
Yeah.
bathtub. Say hi David.
Arala.
Okay, you play now. Just like that, gather all your hair all the way to the front. Comb it. Did I do it right? Okay. Yes, just like that. As you can see, that's my hair, a little ponytail right here. Then tie it right above your forehead, like that. Hair. Be careful, David. My hair like this. Peekaboo!
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo, David. And then let's start cutting. You just cut it straight, guys. I already cut it yesterday, but today I will show you how to. You just put your hand like this and you cut right above, right here, straight. Yay! My hair is getting shorter now. Oops, I missed a little bit. Let's take that hair away. I missed a little bit here. Okay, let's finish that off. There you go. As you can see, this is straight enough. Oh, it's not even. It's hard to see. Yeah, there's a little bit. Okay, I'll finish it off right here. Take it off. Take off the band. And voila! Just like that. Spread your hairs. Ang haba ng hair ko, guys, but now it's shorter now. Short hair na. Kasi medyo mainit na dito sa amin. So, yeah. Have a look. Parang it looked like a V shape at the back. And it's look like this. And you can bring your hair. Oh, I like to make my hair like this. Bring my hair to the front. And like that. I didn't put any makeup today. I just put my eyebrows on because I have a weird, crazy eyebrows. So that's it look like. Yes, for 7 years, guys, I've been doing this. I cut my own hair, and it saved me a lot of money to go to the salon. And you can do any design. You can layer like, yes, you just search in the YouTube and there's a bunch of tutorials about it and you will learn from them also. As you can see, my hair is Nice now. There's some short part and long part. You should try this kind of hairstyle, guys. It's really not nice. And I love this hairstyle also. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And please don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell, ring bell notification so you'll be the first to see my next video. See you again next time, and don't forget to write comments, any suggestions if you want me to do any other video tutorial, guys. Feel free to do that also as well. And we'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Bye.